Whenever you hand over your iPhone to someone, there's always a chance that they are going to dig into your apps. To prevent this, you need to add an extra layer of security to your iPhone apps. Well, you can now lock your apps behind a password or Face ID for added protection. In this video, we will show you how to easily lock apps on your iPhone. To lock apps on your iPhone, first launch the Shortcuts app. Now, choose the Automation tab and tap on the plus button in the top right corner. Here, scroll down to find the app option and tap on it. Now, tap on the choose button to choose the app you want to lock. You can add multiple apps to lock here. So let's just select first 3 apps that we want to lock and tap on the done button. Here, tap on run immediately and keep the toggle for notify when run off. Now tap on the next button, tap on new blank automation and add action. Now search for lock and select the lock screen option. Now tap on done. That's it. If we now launch an app that we have already logged, for example, let's open Amazon. It will open and lock our screen. As you can see, whenever you launch a logged app, it will automatically lock your iPhone and keep you out of it. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in securing your apps on your iPhone. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to ask them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.